Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another how-to Police Interceptor video. Okay, on this video we're working on an '05 Crown Victoria where your radio is not functioning. Okay, we already finished the horn. Okay, so now it's time to get to the radio. Okay, so the car's on right now. You push the power button, nothing there. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to fix it. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is remove the radio. Okay, moving the radio, you can get yourself the Ford removal tools, which is the FRTT tool. Okay, you can get it at AutoZone for like 10 bucks, something like that. Okay, we always have some of those in stock because we go through them quite a few because we lose them. So that's the one we use. Enter the both of the tool hole and enter until you hear a click, and then you're gonna wiggle to the side, wiggle with using both hands, wiggle to the side, and it should come out completely. All right, so now this is your setup. Okay, all right, so this was all wrapped in black electrical tape, very old tape, very sticky, horrible. Okay, so take off all the tape, guys, and that's gonna allow you to see if there's any wires that have been disconnected or rewired to a module. Okay, so this is my setup here. Okay, so we have this wire here that's a white with purple, or purple white, and then we have the second wire, okay, that's a, let's see here, that's blue and white, no, I'm sorry, blue Jesus, blue and purple, or blue and, yeah, I think it's blue and purple. Okay, so obviously these wires are going somewhere, right? Where are they going? Guess what, guys? They're going straight downtown, right there. Okay, so one of those wires is going to be hot. Okay, from here, let me get this zoom out. Okay, so the wires that we're going to be starting with, it's going to be the white and purple. Okay, so there's white and purple that's here, from radio to white to yellow, and then from white and purple to yellow. So easy, guys. Okay, remember earlier how I found power on one of these wires on the other video that I was making about the horn? So here are the wires. So one of them is a, I think, straight yellow with white. I'm sorry, Jesus, why I keep saying white? Yellow with black, and the other one is yellow with orange. Okay, so instead of doing anything over here where you're gonna have to start cutting wires here and connecting, because that's all really you're gonna do is just disconnect these yellows, okay, and connect them to the white and purple. Okay, instead of you doing it here, guys, you could just do it right there. All right, so look, I'm gonna show you, hang on. All right, so no power on the radio, right? Look, no power on the radio, which is, you can see right here. Look at the yellow wires. Check this out. One of them is hot, one of them is not. Check this out. Okay, oh yeah. Okay, don't want to get anything for copyrighted or YouTube telling you that we're using the music for the video, so we're gonna just stop the music. But there you go, guys. Okay, get these two wires together. That's gonna give you your power to your radio, and there you go. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get these two wires, we're gonna crimp them with one of these. Okay, and go ahead and clean all of this up here. and we are good to go. So remember, guys, besides these wires here, go through every single wire. I use an actual what is it called? What is it called? Power probe, to check all the wires to make sure that there is nothing that's still hot, and I eliminate if I find out they're hot, I'll go ahead and put some tape on it, or use one of these I guess crimping tools, clips or caps, and then eliminate it, and then put some black tape around it. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Well, I'm hoping that I was able to help you, educate you on this. If you have any questions, post them on the video, post them on the comments in the video section, obviously. And thanks for watching, guys. Consider hitting the like button for more, and subscribe for more how-to Police Interceptor videos. All right, guys. Have a good day. Peace.